So quick story, me and AI. Um, this is a conversation I had with Gemini also. Actually, this is my second story, and it's still with Gemini. To be fair, Claude is my main guy. Uh, Gemini is the side guy. So the but these conversations usually happen with other AIs much more than a Gemini. Yeah. So the I mean, what was I saying? These issues are happening with other AI platforms much more than Claude. So it's only normal for me to give you a lot of stories with my conversation with other AI platforms. So yeah, so let's get to it. So you see, with this conversation, I've had a similar one in the past about a few months ago. I don't know exactly when. I think it was maybe January. Yeah, I think it was somewhere around January or December last year, somewhere around there. So I was trying to buy something online, and then I was asking Gemini, "Oh, where can I buy this thing in Nairobi?" And it was just, playing, dancing around, not giving me like the exact information I needed. No, 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 sorry. It gave me the information I needed. Yeah, I'm just lost in thoughts right now. It gave me the information I needed, but then what happened was it directed me like to the wrong part of town. So it said, go to Eastleigh to get cosmetics. That's like the headquarters in Nairobi. But it told me to go to another side of Eastleigh. So it was only when I got to Eastleigh and I could not find what it asked me to. I could not find what I needed where I was looking. Where it even directed me to was kind of like it was like residential area with a lot of shops inside it and all of that. So I then had to ask one of the people. There, most of the people there were not even speaking English. Um, they couldn't even understand what I was saying. So when I then met with someone who I knew, okay, this guy is a foreigner. If I speak English, he would understand. I had things was like, no, what I need, I can't find it. I said, where do I go? Then he told me where to go. Also in Italy, but I had to take border because Italy is kind of big. So yesterday now, I was doing the same type of research. And this time around, I was like super specific. I was like, I'm looking for the wholesale place, the place where, like, if I want to buy real wholesale, where I would go. This time, it gave me very, very specific data. So I think back then, it was not well integrated with, what's it called, Google Maps. Data was not like fed into it very well. So I think right now, it has so much super specific data. It even gives me like the minimum order I need to make to be able to get what I need. They even told me the exact building I need to go to and told me the floors I should check. That people on the ground floor are usually retailers. I should just go upstairs, second and third floor. Like it was crazy specific this time around. And yeah, so if you're someone that you're in a new place, um, you want to find out where to go get stuff, don't sleep on it. Gemini is going to send you the right way. You don't need to ask anyone. It will give you very, very specific information. And yeah, kudos to Gemini for that. And thanks to Google for making our lives easier. Yes. Before now, you just go for something near me. You don't need to do that again. You do that right in Gemini, you get better responses. It has all the context you need, and you will get all the information again. The only way you're not going to find that information is if Google doesn't have that information. If Google has that information, it's going to give you. Yeah, that's that. I'll see you at the next one.